In an automated production line, the transport module serves as the highway for materials, responsible for transferring materials accurately from one point to another, ensuring a smooth production process. Today, we will learn how to set up and adjust the transport module through a hands-on demonstration to meet production requirements. Through this lesson, you will understand the basic components and working principles of the transport module and learn how to set its properties in the software. You will be able to independently set up the I/O signals for the transport module and verify the accuracy of your settings through testing. This lesson will also foster a sense of responsibility in technical operations, recognizing that even the smallest setting affects the efficiency and safety of the entire production line, while promoting the craftsmanship spirit of focus, rigor, and innovation. Now, let's begin the practical demonstration. Set up the transport module. First, adjust the view to focus on the conveyor belt. In the left menu, under the Machines directory, find Positioner module and select Link 1. Right-click and choose Properties. Then, click on the General tab and select Edit Axis Origin. Uncheck the Couple Link CAD option and click Apply. Next, click on Edit Axis Origin again and modify the coordinates to x-27, y-265, z155, w90. Click Apply. Now, select the Motion tab. In the Motion Control Type section, select Device I/O Controlled. The interface will change accordingly. Set the axis type to linear. Modify the speed to 150 mm per second. And click Apply. Next, we will set up the I/O. In the Input Setup box, select Robot Controller 1 for the output device. Choose Do 1 for the I/O tag. Set the value to On. And input 505 for location. Now add the second I/O signal. Select Robot Controller 1. Choose Do 1 for the I/O tag. Set the value to OFF. And input 0 for location. Click Apply. We can now test this operation. Select the first I/O signal and click Test. You will notice that the reducer has reached its endpoint. Click the second I/O signal and click Test again. And the reducer will return to the starting point. Next, we set up the Output tab. In the Output Setup box, select Robot Controller 1 for the output device. Choose DI 1 for the I/O tag. set the value to on, and input 505 for location. Click Apply. This signal indicates that when the reducer reaches the endpoint at location 505, the DI1 signal from Robot Controller 1 will be on. With this, we have completed the setup for the transport module. Here, I would also like to share a story of a national craftsman, Li Wanjun, the Chinese high-speed rail welding master. Li Wanjun, a welding master for China's high-speed rail, rose from an ordinary welder to a chief operator. He participated in the trial welding of various city rail and high-speed train bogies, developed welding standards, and achieved 31 national patents through technical research, making significant contributions to the development of high-speed rail. He was honored with titles such as National Model Worker and Craftsman of the Year. Through his relentless pursuit of welding technology, we ensured the flawless performance of key high-speed rail components. This is not only a victory of technology but also a vivid embodiment of the spirit of responsibility and craftsmanship. In the setup of our transport module, we also need the same relentless attention to detail and a strong sense of responsibility to ensure that every setting is accurate, laying a solid foundation for efficient and safe automated production. Through this lesson, we have mastered the basic setup methods for the transport module, including attribute settings, motion settings, and I/O signal settings. We also verified the correctness of our settings through hands-on demonstrations and testing. As an essential part of the automated production line, the precise setup of the transport module is critical to ensuring the smooth flow of production. More importantly, we deeply understand the significance of responsibility and craftsmanship in technical operations. They are like the precise gears of the transport module, driving our continuous pursuit of excellence and contributing to the optimization and improvement of automated production lines. As Li Wanjun once said, serving the country with skills is not an empty promise, it requires a lifetime of perseverance. I hope you will internalize this commitment and externalize it in your actions, becoming the stars of craftsmanship in the field of intelligent manufacturing in the new era. Finally, please complete the following tasks to verify your learning outcomes. 1. Describe the key steps for setting up the transport module properties in the software. 2. Explain how to control the transport module's motion through I/O signals and provide specific examples of I/O settings.